Hello students, this video is for class 9 chapter 1 subject science, that is matter in our surroundings. In the last video we started the classification of matter in which we saw solid and its properties, and today we will see about the liquids. A liquid is a state of matter which has definite mass and volume but not definite shape. Means liquid has fixed mass and fixed volume but not fixed shape. If it will take the shape of the container. If you are pouring water into this water bottle, it will take the shape of the water bottle, पर it's have fixed volume. Means मैंने आपको बताया था वॉल्यूम किसका प्रॉपर्टी होता है या कंप्रेसिबिलिटी का प्रॉपर्टी होता है. if you try to compress water, it will not get compressed. So what can say about this? So the volume is fixed, mass is fixed, but the shape is only determined by the shape of the container. For example, water, alcohol, milk, mercury, etc. So next we see properties of liquids. First property, liquids have a definite mass and volume, means it has a fixed mass and fixed volume. Second, liquids do not have definite shape, means जो भी लिक्विड है उसका जो भी शेप है वो डेफिनेट नहीं है. means it only determined by the shape of the container. Next properties, liquids are slightly more compressible than that of solid. Means solid have very low compressibility, or they don't all, but liquids are slightly more compressible than that of solid. Next, density of liquid is lesser than that of solids. Means density means the ratio of mass to volume. Means density is equal to mass upon volume. Volume in liquids is slightly more, so that the particles are slightly far away from each other. Particles are slightly far away from each other. Force of attraction is little less as compared to that of solid. अगर वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज होता है तो डेंसिटी क्या होता है, डिक्रीज होता है. मीन्स इफ वॉल्यूम इज इंक्रीजेस देन डेंसिटी इज डिक्रीजेस, बिकॉज वॉल्यूम इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू डेंसिटी. Next properties is the particles of two different liquids can diffuse in one another easily. Means whenever you are dropping the ink into water, जब आप इंक डालते हैं ड्रॉप बाय ड्रॉप वाटर में, तो क्या होता है, बहुत आसानी से वो इंक क्या होता है वाटर में डिफ्यूज़ हो जाता है. मीन्स घुल जाता है water particles में. So that the diffusion in liquid is very easy as compared to that of solid. In solid, very slowly they diffuse into one another. Next properties is the force of attraction between the molecules of liquids is less than that of solids. Means लिक्विड्स में जो पार्टिकल्स होते हैं वो एक दूसरे से क्या होते हैं, थोड़े फार अवे, मीन्स थोड़े दूर दूर होते हैं, जिनसे उनमें जो फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन होता है वो कम होता है एक दूसरे के बीच में. इसलिए आप बोल सकते हैं द फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन बिटवीन inside the liquid is less as compared to that of solid. And last properties is liquids expand far more than solids on heating. Means सपोज हम एग्जांपल लेंगे क्लिनिकल थर्मामीटर का. क्लिनिकल थर्मामीटर वर्क्स on the principle of expansion of liquids on temperature changes. Whenever you have fever, suppose आपको fever है तो क्या होगा, body temperature increase होगा. So when you keep it or when you keep this thermometer inside the mouth, so what happen, जो भी mercury प्लेस है, मर्करी प्लेस इनसाइड द बल्ब, जो भी है मर्करी, उसका जो लेवल है वो क्या होगा, इंक्रीज होगा. मीन्स मर्करी कैन एक्सपांड ऑन लिटिल चेंज ऑफ टेम्परेचर. जब टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज होगा तो मर्करी लेवल भी जो क्या है वो है इंक्रीज होगा. सो लिक्विड्स एक्सपांड फार मोर देन सॉलिड्स ऑन हीटिंग. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट लिक्विड्स एंड इट्स प्रॉपर्टीज. मीन्स liquids have a definite mass or fixed volume, but it do not have a fixed shape. I hope you understand it. Now come on today's homework. Question first: how do solids and liquids differ in shape and volume? Question second: what will be the change of state when the following substances are heated? A. Ice. B. Water. C. Wax. Question third: what is liquids and write its properties? Thank you.